It's me, Sophie. So, oh, by the way, I got a whiteboard to put my ideas on. I am now off to Sainsbury's. It is snowing. It's snowing outside, so literally. But I'm off to Sainsbury's because I need to get some strawberry jam for my toast. So I thought, why not go down to Sainsbury's and get some. And obviously this coat that I have is like kind of like not real. It's a, come on in. Yeah, look at my little princeling. I have to do this, we have to lock the door. These two are gonna get taken out at one in the snow. A little bit. I'm gonna take them down to Brabbins. I also need to, I don't need to put petrol in the car. I can wait until. But I do need to like drive my car like somewhere. So like I said, it is snowing, as you guys can see. It is snowing. Look, there is snow in my car. And my car is absolutely cold. This is how old my car is. I have to do that with it, literally, to try and get it warmed up. So yeah. Obviously, I've got a gear stick. Because I got not a gear stick, a brake so it actually stops my car from falling. And stop. So I'm gonna put the camera down while I'm driving, and then I'll see you all soon. Out walking the dog with Dad while it is snowing. Well. Actually, it is snowing, couldn't you say? A little bit, yeah. Here we have a little Neve and a little Colin. And they're just like very like, just like that, they're like, yeah, whatever. Colin's like, what's that? Where was the heron?
Oh, I think shot up the street, it's way up there, probably over there. Flew off somewhere.
So, it's been snowing like all day, and now it's just actually setting. So yeah, I don't know what is going on, but the weather is. Let's see what my car looks like, because I'm pretty sure my car looks like it has been snowed. Let's have a see. Well, that's what my car looks like compared to the Postford down the road. My car versus the Postfords. Yeah, I think it's because my car's been used today and the phosphorus hasn't even moved. So that's why it's got built up of snow. But, oh my god, have you seen the weather? Like, it's wet, but it's not sticking. Well, it is sticking. I mean, my mum's car's been sat there for a while, but, yeah. Is it weird that my mum's car's a lighter blue than mine is? Mine's more like a midnight blue. Mine's more like a midnight blue, and my mum's like just like a blue. My things to do, bud. So obviously, I've got. Take dogs for a walk. Done. But that's just so I can be healthy. And then next one is learn more English, because even though I am an English native speaker, there are some parts of England, there are some parts of the English language that even I don't understand, so yeah. And I'm waiting for my mum to text me, because my mum's getting her hair done. So I fucked that up. So next one is being more happy, which I think is actually quite true, because I can be such a down person, so I thought, okay, if I wake up to that every morning, I will remind myself to be more happy, be more positive in the world. So the next one is do something good. Now that I do something good, that could be helping somebody, or just, yeah, basically general, just helping somebody. The next one is focus more on self, which I think is because I need to do that. I forget to focus on myself, and I tend to distract myself by what other people are doing on my Facebook, Snapchat, and like what my friends are doing. So the next one is take tablets when pain gets bad. Now this is something that I've struggled with since getting a diagnosis with having fibromyalgia. I tend to forget when I need to take my tablets, which are these ones. So these are my tablets that I take. I take 2 of these, which are 400 milligrams, and yes, ibuprofen, Nurofen for joint and back pain if you have fibromyalgia. I also take, when it gets really bad, these are not what I usually take, but when it gets really bad, I take paracetamol and codeine tablets. I also have cocodamol as well. That's for when I'm not sleeping that well. How to make the perfect omelette: mushroom and eggs, 2 eggs, bunch of mushrooms, and this cheese, which is